In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to factory reset a JBL Boombox 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly perform a factory reset on your JBL Boombox 3. It can help to diagnose any issues that you might be having, and it is super simple to do. So all that you have to do is, in the power on mode, press the volume plus button and the play buttons at the same time for more than 3 seconds. Now, after you hold the volume plus and play buttons at the same time for more than 3, it is going to turn off by itself. The unit will then be reset to factory default. This is going to apply for every single model of Boombox. So the JBL Boombox 1, JBL Boombox 2, and JBL Boombox 3. So once again, press and hold the volume plus button and the play button at the same time until it turns off by itself. Then you can release those and the unit will be factory reset. You can repeat it as many times as you want, but one should suffice. So if you are having trouble with the JBL Boombox 3, this is going to reset it, and now you should be able to connect it to any device and start using it again from scratch. If you are still encountering problems while trying to do this, it is recommended that you talk to the JBL customer support. You might have a faulty unit, but if it was working prior to this and you want to try the factory reset as a troubleshooting step, then just follow the instructions on the video. Hold the volume plus and play button until the device turns off by itself, and then it is going to be factory reset for you to connect it again from scratch to any compatible device, and you will be able to use it again as if it was a new unit. If it still doesn't work, then sadly you should go Indeed and talk to the customer support to see if a replacement can be issued. I hope I was able to help you on how to factory reset JBL Boombox 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.